Hi everyone, in this video we will see ISO 8583 example in JMeter. So first open JMeter, add a thread group by right clicking on test plan, thread group. After adding a thread group, go to right click on thread group, go to config elements and select ISO configuration, ISO 8583 connection configuration. So in ISO 8583 connection configuration, use the XML file what the server side has used, because the server side what they have used, we need to use the same file, because the field length and the property length will change if you use a different XML file, and you need to use the same configuration file what they have used, so you can get it from the client or your development team to get this field length. So these can be two ways. So they can be used in the code itself as a length defined in the property files or somewhere. They can use XML file for the configuration. And you need to use the same channel what they're using here in the server side. So the server is accepting BCD channel, then you need to use the same BCD channel. If they are customize the channel communication, then you need to use the same customize the channel and the class in here to send your JPOS request to the server. And if you have any specific header value using for the communication, then we need to use the same value here as this. If there is a validation, if there is any validation on the server side with your header value, if you're sending different value, then that will be a problem again. And so these are just I'm giving maximum connections can be used from this thread group is 5, and I want to use the reverse connection. This is the basic configuration that we use here. If your connection have an SSL handshake, so then we need to provide this SSL details for that. And if you want any, if you have any other field that you want to use as a generic for all the communications, then you can use add field from here, and you can use field 2 or 0 as MTI 0100 for all the requests. So I'm using only single request with 000, so I'm not specifying this. So based on your request, so based on your requirement, you can use these fields. And when coming to the ISO 8583 sampler, so to add this sampler, go to the thread group, right click on thread group, samplers, then select the ISO 8583 sampler here. I have already selected the ISO sampler and have created the message as per my template or what I want to send. Currently I'm just taking the message and sending the response to the client. So I didn't add any server validation, so the actual processing to the server. So it will work for any field requirements. If I send any field, it will take all the fields and it will send a response with response field 39 as 00. So here, if you see, I am not sending the field 39 here, and in the response it has to come with 39. So 39 is a response code field, so where you will get a response. If it is 00, it's a success. If it is 0001, then it's a failure, and you will have a message in the respective field. So let's take our added some fields. A message type is a 0200. Let's open my server. So this is my server I have created with the port localhost 5000, and I have added the same port here to communicate my server. Next, I'm using the ASCII channel, and I'm using the same configuration file what I'm using here in my script as well. So after reading the message, it will come to the process message. From the process message, it will take the receive message. From the receive message, it will change the response type of MTI message type indicator and set the response as 00 by default. So it will not do any validation currently. So the server is not started yet. So I'm starting this server. Yeah, the server has started. The server has started. I'm sending the message now. So I'm using the ASCII here. I'm using the ASCII channel here. So I'm using the same ASCII channel here. Now let's send a message to server. Yeah, it went and we got the response. You should see this is a request what I'm sent to a server. And this is the response what we got it from the server. So this is the response field 39, and the request field, this is the request field what we sent to the server, and the hexadecimal code, this is the hexa code what we have here. This is hexa code. Yeah, so we can use this is outgoing message and this is the incoming message. Incoming message is a response and there is an outgoing message to the server. Okay, so if you don't use the same channel what we are using here, so now we have the ASCII channel communication with ASCII. Now I will change it to some other channel now. It will not respond. It will go into a loop. It will go into the loop and it won't respond to your request. So because it won't receive your request here, so you got only one message and there is no log with the ISO message received. So it will not reach your server. So there is a problem in the ISO 853. So if your request is all correct and if you are using different channel type, the message will fall as a wrong indicator and it will not even log into server logs. It will not specify you that you send a wrong request to server. So that was a problem with the ISO 853 communication, and basically this communication will be done on TCP and it don't have any response codes like 400, 401, 403, like what if we have HTTP response codes. So we make sure that you are using a right channel and right fields and the right data for the communication. So if there is any problem with your data, server will respond with that invalid terminal ID or invalid amount, invalid PIN. But if you not even the basic configuration things like communication channel, port, and the header values and the channel type and the configuration field details, then it will show you it will throw you as invalid response. See, you don't get any response here. So if I change the channel to ASCII again and I will run it, now you got the response. So this is a problem with TCP IP. Make sure you are using right things. Thanks for listening this one. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.